Wow! This is so good!
Today, we are building this glowing house. It's safe, uses easy materials and looks stunning. Let's get started. Here is your toolkit. Don't worry about taking notes. The full list is in the description. You'll just need baking sheet, an LED, coin battery, glue, some cotton, scissors, copper tape, and a cereal box. I've got a free template for you, link in the description. It comes with this colorful version and a blank outline you can decorate yourself. Pro tip: don't cut along the lines just yet. Instead, cut roughly around the shape first. Glue that onto your cereal box and then cut precisely along the outline. Here's how it looks with everything cut out. Now we glue them to the cardboard, but important, do not glue the switch. We need that piece flexible. Let's glue the pieces to the cardboard. Apply glue to the back of each piece. Press it down firmly on the cardboard. Smooth out any bubbles. Do the same with all the pieces. Make sure the edges are stuck down well. Now we cut exactly on the lines, much easier when stuck to the cardboard. To avoid using dangerous knives, we're going to use a little trick. Just cut a line straight through the wall to reach the window. It looks messy now, but we'll patch that cut from the back, and no one will ever know. Perfect! Line will shine through here. We do the same for the round window. Cut right into the center first. Then, as you cut the circle, try turning the paper instead of your scissors. It makes getting a smooth curve much easier. And done! We've got our 3 windows cut out safely, with no craft knives in sight. To mend the wall, we just need a little patch. Glue a scrap piece of paper across the cut on the inside. This bridges the gap and makes the wall strong again. Cut a piece of baking sheet a bit bigger than the window. Put glue around the window on the inside. Press the baking sheet over it. This will diffuse the light beautifully. Now, glue on the window decorations. Line them up with the windows and press down. Do all 3 windows. Fold along all the lines to create the house shape. Put glue on the tabs. And stick the walls together. There's your house. Leave the roof open for now. Cut a piece of cardboard as wide as your house and about 5 centimeters long. That's about 2 inches. This will be our switch base. Put some glue at one end. And stick your switch right here. This little piece will press down to complete the circuit. Now for the circuit, peel off some copper tape. Stick one line of the tape on the back of the door from top to bottom. Place a second line of tape next to the first, but make sure to leave a small gap between them so they don't touch. Continue that line onto your switch base all the way, to one side of the switch. And the other line onto the switch base too, keeping them separate. Two lines side by side but not touching. Fold the copper tape on itself a few times. Now it's sticky on both sides. Perfect. Stick it to the negative side of the battery. That's the side with the bump. Press the battery down on the line that doesn't go to the switch. Wrap copper tape around the switch, connecting it to the other line. Position it so when you press the switch, this tape touches the positive side of the battery. That's the flat side. Time for the LED. See these two legs? The shorter one is negative. Bend them out like this, so they'll lay flat on the copper lines. Position the LED so each leg touches one of the copper lines behind the door. Now test it. Hold the LED down and press the switch. The shorter negative leg needs to touch the line going to the battery's negative side, the bump side. Perfect. Now let's secure it. Stick small pieces of copper tape over each leg, pressing them firmly to the lines underneath. Test again. It should light up every time now. Now let's add the roof. Fold it along the lines. Put glue on the tabs at the top of the walls. Press the roof down firmly. Looking good. Cut a base from cardboard, bigger than your house. Apply glue to the bottom of the house. And stick it down to the base. Time to make it magical. Pull apart some cotton. Put glue on the base. Press the cotton down. Instant snow. This also hides our secret components. Much prettier. Add as much snow as you like. And now, the moment of truth. How amazing is that? You just built a working secret and a beautiful decoration. Grab a free template in the description. There's a colored version like this one and a blank outline you can decorate however you want. If you and your little one enjoyed making this project, please consider subscribing to the DIY Den for more parent and child adventures where learning and laughter light up together. And we'd love to hear how yours turned out. Did your LED light up first try? What colors did you choose? Any creative decorating touches? Pop a comment below. We always enjoy seeing how your builds came to life.